Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add your translation voice on your Skype app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this picture here on app, then it's going to take you here in this window, and all you have to do now, so you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you here to settings window, and you click here on general, then it's going to take you in this window, you click here on translation settings here, then you come to this window, you just here you can change language you want to, it's going to translate your voice to, it's for spoken into for voice, and when you click here on voice, and here you choose if you want to so the translation one voice or two voice here, and here like they say, when a voice is translated into other languages, it is spoken by or machine translation. Select the style of voice you would like to hear. So if you want to hear one or two here, just click to choose. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.